Hey honeys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Miesha and today I will be doing the rice water challenge for 5 days straight. So I did rinse my rice off and then I'm just going to pour water into my bowl until it's covering my rice. I am going to let this rice ferment overnight. So I'm going to wrap it with some plastic wrap and then just set it to the side. This is day 1 of our 5-day rice water rinse. And I am going to be using this red striped shirt to measure my hair day by day. So you will see the same shirt throughout the video. So this is where my hair stops on day 1. And I promise you guys that this video is so amazing because you're going to see my hair grow every single day. So let's go ahead and get started. I am going to be splitting my hair in 4 different sections. So every day I will do a different section. But for day 1, we're going to start off in the back. So this is the section that I will be using. And this is our rice water. I did do the rice water differently this time. I did not boil my rice. I just let the rice sit in the bowl and ferment overnight. You guys, this rice water was so stinky. It was horrible. That was the worst part of this challenge. It was just dripping all over me and I was trying to prevent that because it was just stinking up everything. Oh my gosh, it was horrible. But I did experience a lot of shedding. My hair does shed a lot. So hopefully this rice water helps with my shedding by day 5, but we'll have to see. Since this is day 1 and we have not had any results yet, I will just talk in general about the rice water. So just applying this rice water directly onto my undetangled hair, it did help a lot with detangling my hair because when my hair is wet and there's not any products on it, it does seem to be a little hard to detangle, but this had a lot of slip to it. Before moving on to day 2, I really want you guys to focus and just really look at how my hair is taking the rice water as of now and how saturated my hair is getting by just applying the rice water on day 1. Day 2, and now we're going to apply our measuring shirt. Once again, I'm going to measure my hair on day 2 and see how much my hair has grown overnight with only applying the rice water one time. And I don't know what this rice water did to my hair overnight, but it grew my hair so much. Like I'm talking and trying to move so you guys can see that I'm not cutting anything. My hair literally grew this long, this much overnight. I was amazed and it was only day 2. So we're going to go ahead and split our hair in 4 sections. I don't want you guys to get confused because I'm only doing 1 section per day on this video. I did do all 4 sections every single day for 5 days straight. I didn't want this video to be extremely long, so I did edit the video to only 1 section per day. So every day you guys are going to see me do a different section on my head. For anyone that may be wondering why I am changing shirts, as I stated before, this rice water is very stinky and I am doing this challenge for 5 days straight. So the measuring shirt that I have in red and white, I did not want to do the rice water in the same shirt for 5 days straight because this rice water is stinky. So basically for day 2, the only major thing that happened, well, that I could see happening at the moment was that my hair grew extremely long. And I was just glad for that to get some little length. But please just continue to pay attention to my hair and how it is taking the rice water and also my curls. Wow, now we're on day 3. And let me just start by saying this is when things got a little rocky. Okay, so let's just start off by looking at my hair. my hair is like, I don't know, it just changed. Like, I can't even explain it. You guys can go back to day one and see how my hair started off, and now you just see my hair is just like, it don't have no curl pattern to it. It's just, I don't know what went on. But yeah, my hair did grow still, so that's a plus. That's a good thing. My hair still did grow. We got a little bit more length. It's not as much as it grew on day 2 overnight, but it still grew. Let's just say that my hair is not the worst, and this is just the start of something new. A new hair journey, basically. So yes, it's day 3, and it is very, very hard to detangle my hair. Everything was all stuck together. And yeah, so I'm like, at this point, I'm not even going to attempt to brush my hair. We're just going to apply the rice water directly onto this nappy hair, and we're going to see if the rice water still has a little slip to it, so that I can be able to detangle my hair while it's wet. Okay, you guys, pay attention. So see, I'm applying this rice water directly onto my hair. This is only one section. You guys see how much rice water I have left and how much I have used, and I still need more to put on my hair. So now I finally got my hair to cooperate, and we're detangling. It looks like I do have to apply some more water onto my hair, but that's okay. That's okay. We have enough rice water to saturate my hair. I want to give you guys a little flash forward into day 5. I do have a little something interesting for you guys that I did incorporate into my rice water rinse for the full 5 days. So you guys just stay tuned to see how did I maintain my hair. So it is now day 4. Let's go ahead and jump into measuring our hair to see how long it has gotten. And yes, it is still growing. Yes, ma'am. We have some length going on, sis. So let's go ahead and jump into our last section of our 4 sections. We're going to go ahead and apply that rice water directly to the scalp as well as to our hair. And we're going to work that in. No more baby hair, sis. Strictly edges. So yes, so if my hair is growing, you guys know that my baby hairs have grown as well. And we can see that this rice water is working for hair growth. Okay, so we're applying the rice water to our hair, right? Now I know we have a problem. So day 4 is when I started to notice, like, okay, maybe it's just not me. This rice water is doing something to my hair. I am applying and applying this water onto my hair, and it's like, it's just resisting it. I don't know what's going on. Like, look at my hair. It's getting dry so fast. I'm like, no, this cannot be happening. I never experienced this with my hair. So at this point, I'm like, what is this rice water doing? I'm going to tell you guys the truth. So this is the day that I realized I was only doing this rice water challenge for 5 days. I was originally supposed to do this rice water challenge for 7 days. But this is a day I'm like, you know what? I'm not finna put my hair through this. I am not finna damage my hair. This is only finna happen for 5 days. Period. And you guys, this is only one section. So keep in mind, I have to do all 4 sections of my hair. And I am using all of the rice water that I have to do this one section of my hair. I'm like, I am running out of water. I am running out of options. You know what? I'm just going to twist this up, and I'm just going to leave it alone. Like, I'm just going to stop trying to wet it. It can't get any saturated than it already is. It just is what it is at this point. I am so mad. I cannot hide my frustration in this part of the video. Like, I want you guys to see the truth about this rice water. We're back we're better and we're more motivated than ever. We're on day 5, sis. Day 5 of this rice water challenge, this rice water rinse. So you guys know that we did 4 sections for 4 days, a different section for each day. But on day 5, we're not going to do that. I'm going to show you guys what I did in all 5 days of this rice water challenge. Now this is a flat iron piece of my hair, and I applied the rice water to it, and you guys can see that it is barely getting wet. Enough with the dryness, enough with the rice water. Let's go ahead and get into the silicone mix. This is what I use for all 5 days to help with moisturizing my hair. So I did put the rice water on all 4 sections of my hair, and then I went back in and put the silicone mix on all 4 sections and worked that in as well. So, and I also left this mixture on my hair for about 45 minutes to an hour, and I tied it down with the cap to let everything saturate and soak itself in. So the silicone mix is a moisturizing conditioner. It is designed to repair your damaged hair. So this is why I chose this conditioner, because I know that doing the rice water rinse is a protein treatment, and I already have low porosity hair. So if I would have just did the rice water alone, it would have been too much protein and my hair would be even more dry than it already is. So this is why I use the conditioner to help with moisture. So after I apply the conditioner to all 4 sections of my hair, I am going to comb it through to make sure that everything has been saturated. And I'm going to flat twist my hair in 2 flat twists, just so that when I wrap it up, everything is tamed and together. I'm going to put a shower cap on top of my flat twist, and I'm going to leave this in for about 45 minutes to an hour. I wanted you guys to see me do this rice water rinse. Even though I didn't do it for 7 days, I still wanted to get something uploaded so that you guys could know what you're getting yourself into, and so that you guys can do your research on your hair as well as what you're putting into your hair, so that you won't damage or mess up your hair. Now, if you guys have been watching my videos for quite some time, you guys know how my hair is and how it takes well to water. With this rice water changing my hair and making it more dry, I'm really not sure on how I feel about that. But thank you guys for watching. I love you. Please subscribe to my channel. If you guys like this video and you want to see more like it, please comment down below. Stay tuned for me flat ironing my hair and giving you an update.